Linda, I heard that there are many glass lid machine inquiries. Would you please explain to me about this? I want to really know how it works.
Let me show you the video.
As we know, in the process of glass lid, furnace is the most important machine. Our furnace was developed by Mr. Li in 2011. It created the new time in the history of China's glass lid industry. Our production line has 2 editions. Economy edition. It needs 8 more workers compared with the automatic edition. Automatic edition. Suitable for high quality while less workers demand. Maximum capacity 10,000 PCS one day. Needs from 10 to 12 persons. It is the latest glass lid machine technology in China. According to different needs of customers, we can customize different production lines. This was the automatic line set up in India in 2018. It is the automatic cutting large glass sheet machine. 5 Chinese technicians spent 20 days to install and train. Now, the customer is very satisfied with it. The client is planning to set up the second line soon in China. We supply 14 lines to ASD Zhejiang. We supply 6 lines to Master Xinxing. Thanks for teaching me about the glass lid machine process. Let's wish the customer will confirm the order soon.